All right, do you see all the tasks that you see to the left right there? Those are tasks in Excel. How would you like to know how to do all of those? And they're all on an MP file, 2 and 3 minutes long. All you have to do is go to theinternetroom.com and order these. I have them on sale for $75. Normally they're $100. I've sold them for $150 all over. And I'm going to tell you, then you will have something to back you up. In case you forget how to do one of these tasks, all you have to do is pull the little file up, little 2 and 3 minute long, click on it, and you'll remember exactly, just like if you were sitting in my class. I teach at the university. So go ahead and go to theinternetroom.com. And I'll tell you this, if you sign up and you purchase one of these thumb drives, I will sign you up for my webinar that I teach. It's a 30-minute webinar. I teach every Monday and also every Thursday. So go ahead and go to theinternetroom.com, and also it says your input or availability, and you click on it. Tell me what's a better time to get a hold of you to where you've got 30 minutes to sit down there and just watch my 30-minute video. I will touch on all kinds of things, all through Excel. When I finish with Excel, I'll touch on Microsoft Word. So go ahead, order my thumb drive. Thank you very much, and have a blessed day.